So number 1 says sketch the next 2 figures you would expect in the pattern. So 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides. We need one with 6 sides. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this one's not going to be good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know why I got bigger. 7 sides. Don't judge me. I won't judge you. Okay? 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces. This will be another good one. So we need one with 5.
It would make it adds 2 if you draw another line.
Yeah, they're just it's so like that. Kinda. So yeah, it's again. I'm not gonna grade you on your artistic ability, but I will count if it has 5 sections because that's the pattern. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one needs to have 6. That looks like there's, that's better. Okay? Find a pattern in the numbers. Write the next 2 numbers you would expect in the pattern. What did you guys come up with?
18 and 21.
18 and 21. It looks like you're just adding 3. Very good. Then what? 10 and 5. You're just subtracting 5 each time. Good. Complete the following conjecture. Show 3 examples of how you came up with your conclusion. The sum of 2 positive numbers is positive. And you need to show me how you got that. So like 1 plus 2 is 3. 5 plus 6 is 11. 4 plus 4 is 8. I don't care what numbers you use. You need 3 problems where you add and the numbers are positive and you're observing what happens. All right, number 5. The product of 2 negative numbers is also positive. Good. So -3 times -1 would be an example. -5 times -2 would be an example. I don't know. -4 times -1 would be an example. Whatever. Just 3 examples of how you came up with this. Okay? Or 3 examples that show what your conjecture is stating. 3 examples. Yep. Number 6, the directions say, show the statement is false by providing a counterexample. A number divisible by 3 is also divisible by 6. 9 would be a counterexample because it is divisible by 3. However, it is not divisible by 6. Number 7, if the product of 2 numbers is positive, then the numbers have to be positive. Yeah, just give me 2 negatives multiplied together, make it a positive. Counterexamples, I don't need a big long sentence. I don't need a bunch of information. Just show me that what they're saying could be wrong. Okay, this says use the figure below to determine if the statement's true or false. So H, G, J are collinear. H, G, J. Those are not, no. Okay. T, S, I. T, S, and I. Coplanar. Are they on the same flat surface? Yes, that's true. W, E, S, T are coplanar. Yeah, it's the top, right? Same flat surface, like if you're looking at a box, they're all on the top, so that's true. E, S, H, I. Okay, I think you could draw a plane through these, right? It's like the top of the box and the back of the box. So if you like slice it, see what I'm saying? Yeah, that ninja, fruit ninja. Yes! You just need to slice it like the fruit ninja. So I'm going to go with true. All right, number 12. Name a line segment. Does anyone have an answer they want to share with the class? You only need 2 letters. X, Y will work. Just make sure you do that. Someone said A, B. That also works. Just make sure you don't put the arrows on the ends. Okay? Any piece of a line can be a line segment. So, like, here's one. Here's one. Here's one. Okay? So, just pick 2 letters and put the straight line without the arrows on the top.
Yeah, I picked A, B, C, D.
Well, I think you only have to name 1, but yeah. All right, name 2 rays with endpoints. So the obvious one, I think, is XZ, right? You could call it XY if you want, but that's this same ray. The other thing you can do, just start in the middle of one of the lines. Like you could start at F and go through G and just call it a ray. Oh, wait, with endpoint B. Never mind, I didn't finish the question. I'm sorry. So BC, I'm sorry, I just thought it was going to say name 2 rays in general. So BC is 1. Stop me before I get too far when I'm doing something wrong. BA. 3 points that are collinear. What'd you guys come up with?
ABC.
ABC would work.
EFG.
E, F, and G would work.
XYZ.
Yes, you can pick any of those combinations.
E.
You don't need all of these. Or, okay? Provide 2 additional names for line AB. I think everyone automatically goes line BA. That's fine. Okay? The other way to do it, does anyone know? Line AB. This one right here. Yeah, use the C. So you could go AC. That would work. You could use BC. That would work. You could use CB. You could use CA. Just any 2 letters on that line represents that same line. Okay? Name a plane. Plane. CDG sounds great. CDG. CDG are all on like the one like hanging down. Good. Sometimes if there's a capital letter off in the, like if there was a random W here, you could just call it plain W. That doesn't exist in this diagram, so you need to use 3 letters. They cannot be collinear, okay? And then the last section is just solving equations. How would I solve number 17? Combine like terms, what do you get? Ooh, careful. Good, and then what?
It'll be 28.
Very good. And if you want to use your line of equality while you're getting yourself organized, go for it. All right, 18. And then I'll have to scroll one more time. What should I do? Tricky one. Subtract 4 from both sides, so we get negative 8x equals just 8, yeah. Then what? What do you get? Negative 1. Good. I will pause here for a second, then I'll scroll down to the last 2. Yeah, we have a set of parentheses with the number out front, so we're just going to distribute. So that's 4y plus 6 equals 14. Good. 4y equals 8. Good. And then divide. Y equals 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay, check out 20 because I already know what some of you would do. Make sure you're distributing the negative with the 2. Okay? So you have the 24 out front minus 4m minus 2. Keep that negative with the 2. All right, like terms on the left, I have a regular old 24 and a regular old minus 2, no variables. And I'll put it in the front. So that's going to be what? 22 minus 4m. All right, what do I do here? This is a kind of a tricky one. What? Yeah, get rid of that positive 22 by subtracting 22. I'm going to start back up here. So negative 4m equals negative 28. Seven. All right. So you have a quiz tomorrow. Like I said, I don't think the quiz will take you all hour. I don't have another worksheet planned for you. So just bring something to do. Bring a calculator if you think you'll need one. And just sort of plan on coming in, getting our work done, and enjoying your weekend.